Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very tasty snack recipe and it is very healthy recipe. We will use lots of vegetables, that's why it will be very healthy, and you can make this recipe in very easy way. So whenever you want to make this recipe, please make this and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So for making this, here I have taken a bowl. Then I will add 1 cup of semolina or sooji. After that I will add half cup of curd or dahi. Now mix all the things really well. So firstly mix semolina and curd. After that I will use water. Now add water and mix it. So you can see here it is done, it has mixed very well. Now cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes are over. Now I will check it and you can see it is soaked very well and now it is thick. That's why I will add a little bit of water and mix it. So you can see its consistency. Now I will add vegetables. So you can add any vegetables whatever you like. Here I have taken some green coriander finely chopped, capsicum finely chopped and onion finely chopped, little bit of ginger and 2 chili finely chopped. Now add all the vegetables here. You can use any vegetables and now I will add 1 tomato finely chopped and 1 cup of cauliflower finely chopped, and you can use any vegetable whatever you like. Now I will add some spices: 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So mix all the things really well. So firstly mix it really well. So here it is done. I have mixed it nicely, you can see. Now I will add baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. So add baking powder and mix it, and here it is done. Now we will make the snacks. So for this, here I have taken a pan and then add 2 tablespoon of oil and a little bit of mustard seeds, and when it will be crackle, then I will add some batter. So firstly mix it and crackle it. So here it is done. Now add 2 or 3 tablespoon of batter and spread it like this. It is little bit of thick. Now cover it and leave it for 10 to 12 minutes in low flame and cook it in low flame. So it has cooked in low flame and 12 minutes. Now flip it. Firstly remove it and transfer it in a plate. After that we will add more oil here. So here I will add 2 tablespoon of oil and now add it. So here it is done. Now cover it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. So here 5 minutes are over, and firstly switch off the gas and now check it and transfer it into a plate. So transfer it into a plate. You can see it is looking tempting. So now here I have flip it and now I will cut it. So you can cut it any shape whatever you like. Here I will cut in triangle shape. So cut it like this. It is very easy to cut this recipe. So you can see it is looking very tempting and it is very healthy. So whenever you want to make this recipe, please make this and share your experience with me, because here is a lots of vegetable, that's why it is very healthy You can give it to your children into the tiffin. So whenever you want to make this recipe, please make this and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you.